Hi friends, very quick update for you. The Indigo has updated. They have a walk-in drive on 7th of September for customer service, security and RAM in Gurgaon. Registration time between 8 to 9 a.m. and onwards the interview will be started. Do not forget to carry the hard copy of your resume, pen card, Aadhaar and all your documents. And there are other criteria also which are attached. Do check it out. Best of luck, and also drop a message what you are looking forward in the another video. So I will keep you posted on it. If it is regarding the interview, if it is regarding a guidance, anything, do update it. Do not forget to like and subscribe Aviation Mantras.